Hello and welcome to Financeable. On this new video on how to log in into UCL finance account. So if you subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly open the web browser. In the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and type UCL finance login and press enter in the keyboard. And when you see the UCL my finance search result, just click on UCL my finance search result. And you have to wait for a few seconds depending on your internet connection for the interface to be loaded completely. So when this interface is shown in the screen, there is a login button in the middle of the screen that is in blue color, and when you hover around it, an underline will appear. So you just have to click on that text and the login portal will be opened. And after that, this interface is shown to you. You just need to enter your account, and when you have entered your account, you can just click on the next button, and there are other options also. You can just click on the sign in option that is on the bottom of the screen. Just click on it, and there are options for you to sign in with GitHub or face, fingerprint, PIN or security key. You can just choose any option for yourself to sign in, and when you choose the options and follow through the instruction, then you will be able to sign in or log in successfully into UCL finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.